Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS16P6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI MS16P6 has a screen that looks broken or won't display properly, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to a faulty display panel or a loose connection inside the laptop. If left unaddressed, it can worsen, leading to further damage or complete screen failure, making your device unusable. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement screen compatible with the MSI MS16P6. Let's get started with the repair. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screws that secure the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel, starting at the edges. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. After removing the back panel, locate the screen connector on the motherboard. This is typically situated near the hinge area. Carefully detach the cable by gently pulling it out of its socket. You may need to remove additional screws that hold the screen in place. Once these screws are removed, gently lift the screen away from the laptop, making sure not to pull any attached cables too hard. With the old screen removed, take your new replacement screen and carefully position it in place. Reattach any screws to secure it. Now, reconnect the display cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly seated. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reconnected, carefully replace the back panel, aligning it properly, and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before we finish, it's a good idea to power on your device to ensure the new screen is functioning correctly. If all is well, you've successfully replaced the screen on your MSI MS16P6. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to handle your laptop with care, avoid placing heavy objects on it, and consider using a protective case when transporting it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.